His is a channel that I started a couple of years ago, where I uploaded over 100 videos and got it monetized. The interesting part is that I didn't create any of those videos myself. Instead, I downloaded videos from another channel and uploaded them to mine. Despite this, I never received any copyright claims, and even now, 2 years later, there are no issues on my channel. How did I do this? I used Creative Commons videos. But wait, you might have tried this too and faced issues with reuse content strikes. So, the question arises, how did I avoid any strikes even after 2 years? What is Creative Commons? How to find videos for copy-pasting?
How to monetize them?
Is there any risk involved? Can Mr. Beast's copy-pasted videos get monetized? How to avoid reuse content issues? I will reveal all these secrets and answers in one video. This video might be complex as we will talk about many rules, but if you watch it till the end, you will understand everything. Unlike other YouTubers who give fake advice, I will only share legally acceptable and workable tips. So, without wasting more time, let's start. Before moving forward in this field, you need to understand YouTube licenses. Any video or content you upload on YouTube falls under 2 licenses, Standard License and Creative Commons License. When a creator uploads a video, they get an option to choose between these 2 licenses. But what do these licenses mean? Let's understand this in depth. First is the YouTube Standard License. According to this license, you have full ownership of your video, but YouTube has permission to show your video worldwide without paying you any royalty. Simply put, no one else can use your content except for YouTube to display it. On the other hand, Creative Commons license is slightly different. According to this license, the creator, who is the owner of the content, allows you to reuse their content as long as you follow the terms of the license. If you put your content under a CC license, you permit others to modify, remix, distribute, and reproduce your content. Now, I hope you understand the difference between the 2 licenses. But where to find Creative Commons videos? It's very simple. You just need to search for the video you want and then filter the results to show only Creative Commons videos. But hold on, not all videos labeled under Creative Commons are genuine.
Some might be fake.
What is a real and fake Creative Commons video?
Let me explain.
When you open a Creative Commons video, you will see the license at the bottom of the description, where it should say a Creative Commons Attribution License, reuse allowed. But just having this tag does not guarantee it's a genuine Creative Commons video. Imagine I have a channel with videos on various topics that I created from scratch. Now, if someone else downloads my video and uploads it under a Creative Commons license, technically, that video is not a genuine CC video because I didn't put it there. Think of it like this. Buying something from a black market doesn't make you the rightful owner. If the original owner sees it, they can claim it back. So, you need to ensure the Creative Commons video you use is genuinely uploaded by the original creator. You can check this by looking at other videos on their channel to see if they consistently upload under CC. Once you have found a genuine CC video, you need to decide your niche and find creators in that niche with maximum CC videos. For example, if you search for golf-related CC videos, you will find a channel with many CC videos. Similarly, in other niches like luxury, you might find channels with many CC videos that you can use. But even with a channel and niche, you can't just download and re-upload videos. You need to modify them to avoid reuse content issues. YouTube never said you can re-upload CC videos as is. You need to modify, remix, distribute, and reproduce them. Let's break down how to do this. Modify the video. Create your own intro and outro and add them to the video. If the original creator has an intro or outro, cut it out and add yours. Simply changing the speed of the video won't help. Change the frame, add your own clips or images wherever the original creator is shown. You can take a screenshot of the previous frame and use it to replace the original creator's presence. Give your presence. You can either record yourself while doing commentary and add it as a cutout in a corner of the video, or use text-to-speech to generate a human-like voiceover and replace the original voice. Add value. Add watermarks, subtitles, or new script elements. For example, generate new subtitles using tools like CapCut or modify the script using AI tools and generate a new voiceover. By following these 4 steps, you modify, remix, distribute, and reproduce the original video, thus avoiding reuse content strikes. This process will take about 5 to 10 minutes per video. Always give proper credit to the original creator in the description. Is there a risk in doing this? Yes. If the original creator changes their license from CC to standard, they can claim copyright on your video. This is why I recommended analyzing the channel before using their videos. Also, YouTube might change its policies in the future, which could affect this method. Regarding Mr. Beast's videos, he said that creators could use his content to create something new, like reaction videos or commentary, but not to copy-paste and re-upload. YouTube will not monetize such copy-paste content. You need to modify it as explained earlier. Okay, I hope you understand what is copy-pasting video. What are two different types of licenses? Remember what I have explained to you throughout my video, like do's and don'ts. If you follow my method, sure you will grow your channel in the future. And all the best for your channel. And if you are new here or thinking of making a new faceless channel, then I have 6 faceless YouTube channel ideas for you. You can check this video.
I will see you there. Bye.